So, here we have my first ever success at growing a ripe tomato. And surprise, surprise, it's not a red tomato. Have a guess what colour it is? There it is, look, shining like a little sun. Just down in there. This is a variety called Neat and Sweet. And the name of it is Lemon Sherbet. It's like the colour of a yolk of an egg. Or it's like a sunrise on a bright autumn morning. It's got a little dimple there. It's like a little tit, in actual fact. With a little nipple down the bottom. You see it? Well, my problem with growing tomatoes is that in Finland the season is so short that I get green tomatoes but never ripe ones. And there's another one there, look, hiding in there. They're hiding all over the place. Lemon sherbet. Yes, but as I was saying, that Finland is such a short season that I never get any ripe tomatoes. And this year I thought I would go for Determinate short season tomatoes. And this lemon sherbet is supposed to, after 27 days, put on flowers, and after 35 days begin to set fruit, and at 65 days you get ripe fruit. This is supposed to be very juicy. I don't suppose it tastes of lemon, but I'll have to pick it off and take it inside and taste it. I think it would look lovely in a salad, just having that sort of lemony colour. Come on, come off yet. Come on. Let's pull it. No, it's not for coming. Little twist and a pull. Squeeze. Squeeze it. Nah. Still not coming. One more try. Here we go. Pull, pull, pull. That's it. Pull it out. Come on. There it goes. That's it. It's popped out. Now this tomato plant, that I had it in the greenhouse, but it's been so hot here in Finland, 32 degrees, and it's been like that for a week. That's like a little ball of sunshine there. Absolutely beautiful. And this is in actual fact my first ever success in growing a ripe tomato in Finland. It's a little bit sort of sticky on the outside, the fruit. Cherry tomato, that little nipple there at the bottom. And I'm quite pleased with that. And there are tons of them on here. I haven't showed you them all. Whoops-a-daisy! It is rolling down there. So that gives you little golden goodness. So, if you're interested in Determinate, it only grows to about 75 centimetres, the plant. And it's called Sherbet. Lemon Sherbet.